mission station on Space to Ground.
The new U.S. High Time Space Ninja. Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Dan Hewitt. Peggy Whitson is now the record holder for most time in space for an American. She surpassed Jeff Williams' mark of 534 days early on Monday morning. When she launched last November, Peggy already had 377 days in space from 2 previous long-duration missions. Along with being the first woman to command the station, not to mention the first to do it twice, and being the current record holder for most spacewalks by a female astronaut, Peggy is one of the most accomplished astronauts in NASA's history. And on Monday, she got a very special congratulations.
Today, Commander Whitson, you have broken the record for the most total time spent in space by an American astronaut, 534 days and counting. That's an incredible record to break, and on behalf of our nation and, frankly, on behalf of the world, I'd like to congratulate you.
There are so many incredible things to see in space, and for the first time ever, we saw them live in ultra-high definition. Talking to a panel at the National Association of Broadcasters convention in Las Vegas and going out live to viewers all around the world, Peggy Whitson and Jack Fisher did the first ever demonstration of live ultra-high definition video from space. With 4 times the resolution of regular HD, we're able to see all of the stunning marvels of space with unreal clarity.
Probably the biggest impact that these technologies will have is bringing everyone else on the planet to see these amazing sights that we get to see every day and inspire them to push beyond just living on Earth.
Be sure to check out our YouTube channel for more 4K content to experience space like never before. This week's Twitter question comes from STEM class MMS 8, and they wanted to know if the ISS has a rescue vehicle that can retrieve objects that float away from station. They don't, which is why it's really important to keep track of everything. As you might have seen during a recent spacewalk, objects do occasionally get away from astronauts and float off into space. If they're large enough, people on the ground can track them, even as they fly far away from the station, to make sure they aren't going to come back around and hit anything. As for the astronauts themselves, they have small jetpacks attached to their spacesuits in case they float away from station, so no rescue vehicle required. Keep sending your questions using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.